Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an trolling script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the script. To download the script, you just have to scroll down over here. Then click over here. Then click on this zip file and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Now copy the name of the file. Now open the server.cfg. Then ensure the script over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now to open the troll panel, we just need to type /troll over here. Now you will get a troll panel over here. In this section, you will get the name of all the players who are currently in the server. So currently I am alone in my server. You can even search the player's name by searching over here. So after selecting the player, you just need to click on action player over here. After that, you will get all the troll options over here which you can perform. So first, let's perform this one over here. Okay, as you can see. So I think you can hear the sound. So to stop the sound, you just need to click over here again. Now let's check out other option which is attack NPC. So I think the NPC should attack now. Okay. Okay, we are getting attacked by the NPCs over here. So let's stop this. Let's click on attack animal. Okay, probably the animals are going to come and attack us. So as you can see. Now let's check out this kidnap option. Okay. One van came over here. Okay, now they started to kidnap us, as you can see. Now they will take out us somewhere. Okay. And they thrown us over here, as you can see. Let's check out the UFO Kidnap option, which is over here. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we started to fly to the UFO. Okay. And they have dropped us to the Mount Chiliad. I think it's a Mount Chiliad. Okay, it's somewhere else. They have dropped us over here. Now let's check out the flame option. Okay, we have set us into the fire, as you can see. So I am alone in my server. Because of that, I cannot perform this option which is over here. Because of this option, we can take control over other players' character. So let's check out this fake lag option. We can make other person lagging just like this. So with this option, we can invert the movement control. So currently I am pressing W and you can see the control has been inverted. Now let's check out this clone follow option. Okay, we will get a clone over here. Okay, now it started to follow us, as you can see. Now let's use flip vehicle. So as you can see over here. Now let's use this option which is over here. Okay, with this option we can flip any player at any time, as you can see. Now let's check out this option. Okay, through this we can randomly open and close the doors of the vehicle. So as you can see over here. Now let's check out this option, ultra slow walk. Okay, now our character has been walking and running very slowly over here, as you can see. Now by clicking this option, we can change the time cycle only for a particular player. Okay, I think to perform this option we need one more player. Now let's check out this option. Okay, by clicking this option we will get a POV of 2D game over here, as you can see. Now let's check out flip camera. Okay, through this option we can flip the camera angle of any player. It will look like this in other players' POV. Now let's check out this option. Okay, through this option we can spawn any ghost at any time and anywhere in front of any player. So just like this, you can use this amazing script to troll the players in your server. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.